In today's fast-paced world, juggling work, family, and personal commitments can leave little room for nurturing friendships. Yet, these connections are vital for our emotional well-being, providing support, joy, and a sense of belonging. Even when life gets hectic, it's important to prioritize your relationships and make time for the people who matter most. With a little creativity and planning, you can strengthen your friendships without compromising your busy schedule. In this video, we shall discuss some practical strategies to help you stay connected, no matter how packed your calendar may be. 8 practical ways to make time for friends in a busy world. Welcome to Alone Mode, where life meets style. If you're looking for a place to unwind, learn, and grow, hit that subscribe button and join our incredible community. 1. Prioritize and plan ahead. Making time for friends starts with treating your relationships as a priority. When your schedule is packed, spontaneity often takes a back seat, so proactive planning becomes essential. Block time in your calendar specifically for friends, just as you would for meetings or errands. Treat these plans as non-negotiable, to ensure they aren't overshadowed by other obligations. Set up recurring dates, like a monthly dinner, weekend coffee, or weekly video call. Assess your calendar honestly and choose times that won't feel rushed or stressful. Instead of overcommitting, plan shorter meetups that are easier to stick to. Use breaks in your schedule, such as lunch hours or evenings, for quick catch-ups. If you know you'll have free time during a specific period, reach out to friends in advance to plan something. By planning ahead and making friendships a part of your routine, you can ensure that even the busiest schedules have room for meaningful connections. 2. Combine activities. When life gets hectic, combining activities with social time is a smart and efficient way to maintain your friendships. By pairing your existing responsibilities or hobbies with opportunities to connect, you can make the most of your time while still prioritizing your relationships. Invite a friend to join you for tasks like grocery shopping, running errands, or visiting the mall. Catching up while tackling your to-do list makes the time feel more enjoyable and productive. Make routine celebrations, like a birthday or promotion, an opportunity to meet up. Invite friends to be part of these moments, combining festivity with connection. By integrating your social life with everyday activities, you can stay close to friends without feeling like you're stretching your schedule too thin. These creative solutions help you maintain strong relationships while balancing the demands of a busy lifestyle. 3. Leverage technology. In a busy world, technology can be your greatest ally for staying connected with friends. Whether you're separated by distance or just short on time, modern tools make it easier than ever to maintain meaningful relationships. Use platforms like WhatsApp, Messenger, or iMessage for quick updates, sharing photos, or just saying hello. Even a simple "thinking of you" message can keep your friendship active. When meeting in person isn't possible, opt for a video call through Zoom, FaceTime, or Google Meet. Virtual hangouts can be just as meaningful, especially when you dedicate time to focus on the conversation. Form group chats with mutual friends to share updates, plan events, or simply chat casually. It's an easy way to stay engaged without the pressure of one-on-one conversations all the time. Use platforms like Instagram or Snapchat to share moments from your day. Tag friends in posts or send them direct messages to show you're thinking of them. Plan meetups or events using scheduling tools like Doodle or Google Calendar. Share lists or notes with apps like Google Keep or Trello for collaborative planning of group activities. Use your phone or app notifications to remind you to check in with friends regularly. These reminders can prompt you to send a quick message or schedule a call. Brighten your friend's day with an e-card, funny meme, or even a digital gift card for a coffee treat. Small gestures show that you care, even from afar. Mark special occasions like birthdays or milestones with a virtual celebration or a heartfelt video message. It's a thoughtful way to stay involved in their lives, despite a packed schedule. By leveraging technology, you can bridge the gaps created by a busy lifestyle and ensure your friendships thrive. The key is to use these tools thoughtfully and consistently, so your friends feel valued even when time is limited. 4. Be flexible. When life gets busy, flexibility is key to maintaining friendships. Rigidity in scheduling or expectations can lead to missed opportunities to connect, so it's important to adapt to the circumstances. Instead of waiting for the perfect time for a long hangout, make the most of brief moments. A quick coffee break, a phone call during your commute, or even a 15-minute catch-up between tasks can still strengthen your bond. Life is unpredictable, so don't be afraid to reschedule when things come up. Communicate openly about changes and make an effort to find an alternative time to connect. Say yes to last-minute invites when your schedule allows. Spontaneous meetups can sometimes be the most memorable. Keep a list of nearby cafes or activities so you can quickly suggest ideas when time permits. Find convenient locations or activities that work for both of you, reducing the effort required to meet. This could mean meeting at a spot between your homes or workplaces to save time on travel. Accept that you might not have hours to dedicate to friends, but focus on making the time you do have meaningful. Let friends know about your current schedule and be honest about your availability. Accept that you may not see each other as often as you'd like, and that's okay. What matters is maintaining a consistent effort, no matter how small, to stay connected. Focus on the quality of your interactions rather than how often they occur. Make the time spent together count by being fully present and engaged. By staying flexible, you can work around the challenges of a busy schedule and ensure your friendships remain strong. Adaptability not only helps you make time for friends, but also shows them that they're an important part of your life. 5. Focus on quality, not quantity. When your schedule is packed, it's natural to feel like you're not spending enough time with friends. However, the depth of your interactions matters far more than the frequency. When you're spending time with friends, give them your undivided attention. Put away your phone, minimize distractions, and actively engage in the conversation to make your time together more meaningful. Skip the small talk and dive into topics that truly matter to both of you. Share your thoughts, dreams, and challenges to strengthen the emotional bond in your relationship. Focus on doing things that bring joy, whether it's trying a new activity, visiting a favorite spot, or celebrating a milestone. Make the most of short interactions, like a quick coffee break, a lunch date, or even a phone call during your commute. Pay attention to your friends' needs and preferences. Remember birthdays, important events, or even small details about their lives. Thoughtful gestures, like checking in on them during a tough time or sending a "just thinking of you" message, show that you care deeply. Engage in activities that are meaningful to your friends, even if they aren't your usual interests. This effort demonstrates that their happiness is important to you, strengthening the bond you share. Maintain contact through small, meaningful gestures, like sharing an article that reminded you of them or sending a quick text. Acknowledge and celebrate your friends' successes, big or small, to show that you're genuinely invested in their happiness. Even if you can't meet to celebrate, a thoughtful call or message can mean a lot. By focusing on the quality of your interactions, you can make your friends feel valued and appreciated, even when time is limited. 6. Learn to say no. One of the most effective ways to make time for friends when you're busy is by learning to say no to less important commitments. While it can feel difficult to turn things down, prioritizing your relationships means recognizing what truly matters and setting boundaries to protect your time. Reflect on what's most important in your life, and place meaningful friendships high on that list. When your priorities are clear, it becomes easier to decide which activities or commitments to decline. Resist the urge to say yes to every invitation, project, or task that comes your way. Overloading your schedule can leave you too drained to nurture your personal relationships. If your workload is consuming all your free time, learn to say no to extra assignments or work beyond your capacity. Protecting your work-life balance is essential for maintaining connections outside the office. Being polite but firm shows respect while maintaining your boundaries. Choose to attend events or gatherings that will genuinely bring you joy and strengthen relationships. It's better to say yes to a few meaningful opportunities than to spread yourself thin across many. Saying no doesn't make you selfish, it ensures you have the bandwidth to show up fully for the people who matter most. Recognize that your time and energy are limited, and it's okay to prioritize wisely. Free up time by delegating tasks at work or home to others when appropriate. Use that saved time to connect with your friends. By saying no to overscheduling, you leave room for impromptu plans with friends, which can often lead to the most enjoyable moments. Learning to say no empowers you to take control of your schedule and make intentional choices about how you spend your time. By doing so, you create the space needed to nurture your friendships and show your loved ones that they are a valued part of your life. 7. Celebrate small moments. When you're juggling a busy lifestyle, it can be easy to overlook the significance of everyday interactions with friends. However, the small, seemingly insignificant moments can hold great meaning and be a powerful way to stay connected. Celebrating these moments, no matter how brief or casual, ensures that friendships continue to thrive even when time is limited. Take time to celebrate the little victories in your friends' lives, whether it's finishing a big project, landing a new job, or simply having a good day. A quick congratulatory message, a toast over lunch, or even a thoughtful text can make your friend feel appreciated and supported. Establish small traditions with your friends that fit into your routine, like sending a Monday motivation message or sharing a quick update every Friday afternoon. These mini moments of connection can become cherished parts of your week and foster a deeper bond. Celebrate birthdays, anniversaries, or personal milestones with a quick phone call, a favorite shared meal, or even a short video chat. Sometimes, the best way to celebrate is simply being in each other's company, even if it's for a brief moment. Show your friends you're paying attention by remembering small details about their lives, whether it's a favorite snack, an upcoming trip, or a personal goal they're working toward. Acknowledging these small things helps create a sense of closeness and shows you're truly invested in their lives. Humor is a great way to bond, even during short interactions. Share a funny story, an amusing video, or an inside joke. Celebrating small moments doesn't require a lot of time or effort, but it has a lasting impact on your friendships. By focusing on the little things, you demonstrate that the relationship is valuable, regardless of how busy your life may be. 8. Be honest about your limits. In today's fast-paced world, it can be tempting to stretch yourself too thin in an effort to please everyone, including your friends. However, being overly accommodating can ultimately lead to burnout, frustration, and strained relationships. To maintain meaningful connections while managing a busy life, it's essential to be honest about your limits. Take a close look at your commitments and identify where you may be overextending yourself. It's important to acknowledge that you can't do everything, and your energy and time are finite. When you need to decline plans or limit your time, communicate your boundaries clearly and kindly. Honesty, delivered with respect, helps friends understand your situation without feeling rejected. Being honest about your limits isn't just about maintaining your friendships, it's also about taking care of yourself. If you're feeling overwhelmed, recognize that you need time to rest, work, or tend to other aspects of your life. When you're unable to spend time with friends in the way they want, offer alternatives that fit better with your schedule. For example, if you can't make a long dinner party, suggest a shorter coffee date or a weekend activity that works for both of you. Offering alternatives shows that you're still invested in the relationship, even if the original plan doesn't work. Being honest about your limits also means being selective about where you invest your energy. Prioritize the friends who bring value, joy, and support into your life. You may not have time for everyone, but being selective ensures that your energy goes toward the relationships that matter most. Just as it's important to be honest about your limits, it's equally important to respect your friends' boundaries. If a friend declines an invitation or needs to cancel plans, be understanding and supportive rather than feeling hurt or frustrated. A healthy friendship is built on mutual respect for each other's time and energy. Your personal time is just as important as your social time. Create a balance by establishing boundaries between work, personal time, and social commitments. It's okay if you can't attend every gathering or respond to every message right away. Self-compassion helps you manage your commitments without feeling guilty for prioritizing your own well-being. Being honest about your limits is a key step in making time for friends. By setting clear boundaries, communicating openly, and respecting both your own needs and those of your friends, you ensure that your relationships remain healthy and sustainable, even in the midst of a busy life. To sum up, friendships are an investment in your happiness and health. With intentional effort and thoughtful planning, even the busiest individuals can maintain strong, fulfilling relationships. Remember, the key is consistency. Small, regular actions can build deep and lasting bonds. So ladies, how do you make time for friends when you are busy? We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more discussions.